Welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the board, we have a question, a problem. We have to find the reciprocal of the difference between 7 over 8 and the product of 2 over 3 and 3 over 8. Now let us represent this mathematically. It simply means 7 over 8, the difference of the product of 2 over 3 and 3 over 8. So what we are going to do now, we are going to first of all handle this side that have multiplication so that we'll remove the brackets. Okay, so now 3 multiplied 2 will give us 6 all over 3 multiplied by 8 will give us 24. So therefore we have it as 7 over 8 minus 6 over 24. So at this point now we are now going to reduce this fraction. So what do? 24 multiplied by 7. 24 multiplied by 7 will give us 168 minus 8 multiplied by 6 will give us 48 all over 24 multiplied by 8 will give us 192. So at this point, we now subtract, we now say 168 minus 48. 168 minus 48 will give us 120. 120 all over 192. At this point, I believe strongly that 6 can go into 120 and 6 can go into 192. So divide both sides by 6. So 6 going to 120, we are going to have 20. We are going to have 20 all over. If 6 going to 120, it will give us, if 6 going to 192 divided by 6, it will give us 32. 32. So at this point, we can still reduce this fraction because 4 can go into both. So 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. 20 divided by 4 will give us 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. We divide both sides by 4. 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. And 4 divided by 32, 32 divided by 4 will give us 8. 32 divided by 4 will give us 8. So now we have reduced the fraction to the barest minimum. So what we are going to do now is to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal simply means the inverse. The reciprocal of 5 over 8 is as saying the inverse. So it means the bottom number will come to the top and the top number will come to the bottom. It simply means it will now be 8 all over 5. So this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page. Do well to like the page. Do well to comment and share. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.